Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and we've had another parcel arrive today at Festa Towers, and this one is from the lovely Wendy Hickson, with an H, folks. Yes, she sent me a box of goodies, bless her heart. So let's have a little looky-loo as to what we got in there. Oh, I think I'll just move my tank out of the way. Move my motorbike as well, I think, just to be on the safe side. There you go. Preparation, Cole. That's what it's all about, mate. Right, let's have a looky-loo. Enjoy, Colin, it says, from Wendy, with a hug and a heart and a wee paw. Oh, bless. I'll put that to one side with the address. And let's have a looky-loo. Hey, oh, what we got? Oh, sustenance, nom-noms. Oh, better hide these from H. Quick, he's just stealthily looking round for somewhere to hide them. We got some Malteser cake bars. I know what I'm going to be having later with my cup of tea. Don't grasp me up to H though, folks. Oh, nom-nom-noms. Oh, we've got a rather strange triangular box here. What have we got here? And it is the Fat Yang Yang. And there's a load of text on there. Bits and bobs. Let's put me glasses of seeing on and get me knife. And open this bad boy up. And look at that, folks. Got a big old motorbike on the back there. With the fella on there, giving it the beans. Looks like a rather mad biker Father Crimbo scenario going on, and there's loads of text there on the back there telling you all about him. Hey, look at that. I can see that I'm going to have a task of some paintage going on here. I've just got this feeling, folks. Hey, look at him. Ooh. And he's doing a wheelie as well. That's one thing I miss doing, wheelies on a motorbike. But anyway, I digress. Let's open this up and have a looky-loo. So just quickly cut the tape there. And as it says on the back there that, yeah, they go on the hunt in their socks, and there they are, the Fat Yang Yang socks. Have a looky-loo, and you've got a white metal motorcycle model as well to go with them, which is the picture on the front there. So that is going to be a challenge to do and get that all nicely painted. I'm looking forward to that, Wendy. Look at that. What? Ooh. Ooh. And I'll do that whilst wearing my nice sexy socks, Wendy. And of course, I will video this and the socks being worn. I know. Festa's feet on camera. Shock horror. Oh, got a bag just on the side here. Let's have a look in there. See what's going on. Look at that. Big old bag of dudes there. Yeah, have you some of them. Cool, look at that. And they're made of the resin stuff as well, Wendy. Whoa. Have you a looky-loo at them bad boys. And I think there's a pamphlet at the bottom of the box there that shows these in detail. So I shall get the pamphlet at the end and bring these back on so you can see what these dudes actually are, folks. But look at that. Absolutely beautiful, Wendy. Just move the polythene out of the way there. And it's bubble wrap. Get to play with the bubble wrap with me feet. Happy days. Oh my God, Forge World. Fox, Festa's got Forge World. Oh dear. He's so going to mock me on the frolic. It'll be, older down the hole comments will be coming out now. Especially now I've got a Forge World in me stash, Wendy. You are a star, bless you. Look at this. And this is the Orc War Boss on the bike. Look at that. Wow. Unbelievable. So crisply made. I can get why people do like this stuff. Look at that. Wow. There's all the bits and bobs there. Showing you all the parts and everything. Recommending using super glue to join it, so I'll get myself a stash of super glue. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And there's some examples of the built bike as to what it looks like. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Think of all the bluing that can be done on that jet engine. Ooh. I know. Festa's got Forge World. Festa's got Forge World. I know. I'm down the hole. There's no getting away from it now. Look at that. Wow. Stunning. There's the info. I'll just make sure there's no messages or address details in there before I show them. And there is an exploded view of the dudes that are currently on the side there. So yeah, look at them. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. Wow. And that's what's in the bag there, folks, that big geezer there. He's got a serious amount of ammo going on, isn't he? I think he's got enough bullets. There's all the bits and pieces, the clubs and all of that lot. And yeah, seeing the pictures of that, it's amazing. I mean, look at that. Got all the bullets and that he's got all round his feet and everything. I wouldn't like to meet him on a dark night, would you? Hey. God, gonna have some fun painting that. And just come back to the box there. Put that just neatly to one side. And have a looky look. Beautifully wrapped. Oh my God. And this is the Infinity Fin Sanders. With the sanding holder. Oh my God. See, she knows I'm going to be doing these resin kits. See, so she's gone and got me a set of the sanders to go with it. Oh, Wendy, you are an angel, love. You really are. She thinks of everything, folks. Aye, absolutely amazing. I'll be 3D printing myself a holder for all my Infinity stuff at this rate. And there's all the different grades of sanding paper on the back there, folks. Look at that. Whoa. Dun 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 dun. Hey, have some fun with them. Absolutely. I'll just grab that out of the box, put the box to one side, and lay everything out on the bench, folks, so you can see the haul that Festa got today on these prezzie times. I know. Look at it. Folds well. Sanding sticks. Oh, mate. Dudes. Got some fun with this lot. Hey, absolutely amazing. I'm genuinely made up, love. Little old Festa. Look at that. We've got some sustenance as well. Happy days. Thank you, Wendy, so much, my love, for getting me these bits and pieces, love, because it really does mean a lot. So until next time, folks, I'm going to say my bye-byes. Big love to Wendy Hickson, folks, when you see her in the chat on me stream. Send the love, and I'll catch you for the next video. Take care, folks. Stay safe, and have a good Christmas. Take care. Bye-bye.